my God, guys, what's going on? D-Rod here, man. D-Rod. Dennis Rodman, The Last Dance. Guess what, though? Every time I see that Last Dance show with Michael Jordan, they said, Dennis, we seen your show. I said, what the fuck? My show? That's Michael shit, right? 10-part, right? I was like, whoa. All of a sudden it became my show. Well, guess what, though? Dude, I'm looking at this shit right here, man. Seriously. Look at this, man. Really? This shit right here? What's this, man? And this is surprising. I'm not doing this to make comical, but I'm like, when I'm looking at this shit, like off-white. Virgil, awesome guy, man. Really, Virgil? Really, Virgil? You going that dramatic? Really? And it says the worm. Really, guys? Look at this shit, man. I'm like, I'm happy as a clown right now. What the fuck, man? Shit. He sent me some shoes, man. What the fuck, man? What's this bullshit? I got green socks. Really? Wow. Today is really my lucky day because Virgil, fuck you, man. What the hell? Where you been? Come on. Endorsement? I don't need one, goddammit. Look at the fuck, man. Look. Shit. Fuck. And sad about it. Wow. Wow, man. He sent me more shoes. I'm like, I didn't think people like me like that.
Generous.
Wow, I'm like, what the hell, man? I'm like, oh, shoot. I'm like, wow. And my son, he would love this. My son would love this, man. Seriously. You see me no pair on him look like this. Oh, shit. The worm. Wow. In the name of love, baby. Virgil, you're fucked up, man. But I love you, man. Thank you for doing everything for me, brother. Hope we can do some cool shit, man. Like, God damn it, man. This is cool as hell. All white, and you're black. What? Really? What's this? All white Virgil. You did a great job, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.